Welcome, welcome. This is Africa, and we fix phones. Yeah, never allowing this to go to the. They call them dump. What do they call it? Landfills. Yes, landfills. So anyway, we get to refurbish a Samsung A40s, right?
A40 flat. Yes.
A40. Let me first open and see. It was 17.
17, 380.
38. I need to be sure. Excuse. Now, it's under advanced, right? About the phone.
Down at the bottom.
Bottom of settings. Okay, bottom's about. Why is the A40 small inside?
I don't know.
Because the A10 is big. Anyway, this person says that when they call, they cannot hear unless they turn on the loudspeaker mode, meaning that the other second microphone comes into play. So that means the lower microphone, the main microphone for calls, is faulty. So let's get to open it. I think the back is already loose, and we can just rip that apart, and then we have to go inside. So let's get to it. First, screw out. I always implore you guys to visit Uganda. Most of you guys who wonder whether we live with elephants, lions, and goats in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful, hospitable country full of flora and fauna. Anyway, if the way of visualizing it is imagining us swinging on tree branches with monkeys, please come and see them. But I hear more YouTubers saying when they go abroad, they ask, "Hey, so do you guys even have beds?" Yeah, the baby was like he was in the US, and that was what they were asking him. So she was like, no, we only have stones. We lie and bask on them like geckos. Okay. But it's kind of funny how ignorant they can be.
2023.
Trust me, to them, that's Africa, they know.
Internet age.
It's absurd. But maybe it also makes it convenient for them to support their governments invading us. We're like, we need to liberate those guys who are sleeping in the jungle. It's less inhumane. Oh, we hadn't removed the SIM card. Let's remove the SIM card. Right. Do I have a pin? I think Wakanda got inspired when some maybe director came thinking he's going to live with monkeys, and then he's like, wait, they have skyscrapers. Wait, traffic lights. Wow, technology began from Africa. This must make a good movie. This guy's basically giving me soldering wire to use as a pin.
It's too small.
This thing looks menacing. Like, for someone who fears needles, sent me this. Okay. So SIM card tray. Okay. Interesting setup. So they didn't bring the long form. They decided to make it wide. Okay, disconnect the fingerprint, and that should come off. So since we are dealing with main microphone not working, we therefore are interested in the lower subboard. Disconnect those fibers, and then remove this. All right, and this should come off. I think there's adhesive underneath around somewhere there. So let me see. Okay, yep, there's something there. Now we are interested in this, and Mike, where are you? Mike, where are you? It's here. There. Now the big question is, do I have a donor? But nonetheless, let's first pick him out. So we're going to use our hot air gun. I think let me change my ISO to 50. This looks too bright. Okay. I suppose you're able to see. Perhaps I didn't focus. Okay, now the focus is good. But then that's how school is. Sets are to be bought. All right, so we need to pick this mouthpiece. I don't know. Should I zoom in? Okay, that's our guy right there. Okay, it is off. And then now the next thing is to look for a donor. Yes, sir. Like South Africa. Okay. All right, guys. I am getting the donor from here. I'm just hoping it is of similar terminal. Okay. Now we bring our hot air guy to let us pick this off. Oh no. Okay. Too much heat. Too much heat. Ceramic.